everyone. Hope you're having an amazing day wherever you are. You can't see the full screen here because it's like they're just huge bags. But I've got two things to show you guys here. So quickly, just an overview. This is going to be a Scriptus haul. Scriptus is Toronto's premier fountain pen convention. And in it, there's a bunch of things. I bought a lot of things, watched and saw many cool fountain pen demonstrations, testings, etc. throughout this day. Super fun. Usually happens in October, November, right? So, if you're in Toronto, you know Lay Wines. Great store. I really like them. They always have amazing deals. This year they had these two mystery packs, which I'll go through now. But basically, this is my Scriptus Haul 2025. And it's going to be split up into two sections. Part 1 will be for stationery and stationery related things. And then I have a little bonus Umomo haul as well at the end of this video. And then part 2 is going to be all about fountain pens only. So if you're not interested in stationery, you can come back next week and see the fountain pen haul. That's where I'll introduce all the fountain pens, unless there's a fountain pen in one of these mystery boxes. All right? Okay. Cool. Let's get started. So I'm going to go with this bag first. This bag is the $5 bag. It's really big. Like, it's just, look at that. It's huge. Okay. So let's just see what's inside. Oh God, it's so heavy too. My goodness, there's so much. Whoa, okay. It's empty, all right. And honestly, these bags are like so generous. You can already see one of these guys over here. But let's go over it a little bit with a little bit more decorum. The first thing I have here is this Faber-Castell pen. It is a Pitt Artist Pen Metallic, and it looks like this. So let's grab a little notebook. Question everything. Very nice. I wonder if this one is a permanent marker and it writes on things that aren't paper. Okay, so let's give that a shot. I've got this like bottle of nail glue over here. Let's just see if it will write on the side maybe. Hello, and we'll see if it budges in a moment. I'll let that dry first. But that's really nice. I love a good metallic pen or marker. So that's amazing. Taking this one away. That's great. And we'll come back to this right after we finish some other unboxings. So then I have this one from Imogen Owen. And this is the luxury desk planner. So I am very big on planners. I really like them. And this is basically Monday all the way to the weekend notes for this week. You just put it on your desk, giant memo pad, and you just write as you need. And I kind of love this. Do this at the start of the week. Really get yourself raring to go. And then you can fill in as you need, but you already know your top priorities for that day of that week. I really like that. The thing about this is that I like to save mine so I can like flip back and I can know what I did that year. I don't like the fact that this is like very memo pad style and then you kind of rip it off. But I'm pretty happy with this. This is nice. Okay, let's go back to this guy. Oh, no. Oh, it comes right off. So it's definitely not for that purpose, but it was pretty. Like, I don't know if I gave it enough time to dry. I feel like if it was a permanent marker, it would have dried already. It's like alcohol ink, right? So this is probably like a water-based ink, I guess. Oh, it says here, I'm an idiot. It says it's India ink. Yeah. So not for that purpose. All right, but still really lovely. I like that. We have a blank card and it says, yes. And I love getting these cards because then I don't have to go and buy them. And sometimes you want different cards for different people. Like I have a big group of friends, so I like to have different things for each of them. I think it's really, really fun. It's either all different or all the same. And sometimes doing all different can be harder or easier depending on how much effort you put into it, right? So there we go. Then we have this one, also from Imogen Owen. All right, where was this one from before? Power and Light Press, super cute. Oh, it was $7.50, original price. All right, here you have the key to my heart. That's super cute. I don't know who I'm gonna give this to, but nice. I give it a year. Okay, this is kind of interesting. This one and this one too. They're both kind of snarky. Like this one is like, sorry, I can't be bothered. And the other one's like, I give it a year. Like who am I going to give these to? Like if someone's in a new relationship and I'm like, here, have a card. And it says, I give it a year. Oh my God. That's kind of funny. Oh yeah, it says mean mail. That's why. It's just rude mail. And it says this beautiful cards, brutal words. You know what? Actually, I can do this. I have a friend who's looking for a new job. I'm gonna give this to him. It says, I give it a year for you to get a new job. You know, you can change things up. And then we have this journal here. Oh, it feels really nice. It's like, it's not leather, but it feels like leathery. I'm not sure what material that is. Does it say? It says that it is line. It says it's calling it a refill though. Does this fit in? Maybe this fits inside like a binder, a special kind of binder, maybe with the ones with the clips. We can take a look at how it looks like. Oh, that's really nice. I don't like it when they have, okay, I'm gonna sound crazy. I don't like it when, I don't like to write on both sides of the page. I only write on one and then I flip it and I never write on this one. And it's so that I can go back and look at notes like this. But that's fine, I guess. I love the top, how they have like your priority items. But why is it written like that? It's like you have one over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Why? Is this to do something? Like, is this like, so this is the date. You write the date here, which I understand, but then why do you start like that? I'm confused. Or are you supposed to write the date on? I'm not too sure why they have that. I love the fact that they have these perforated corners. You know where you are. But I'm definitely going to have to check this out. Like, what is going on? What does that mean? Because this seems like you have a personal information. You have all your words. This is exactly what you would find in like an agenda. Right? It is very USA coded though. Okay. Yeah, I don't know. I will have to search this up and be like, why is there that? It's here at the back. You also have like telephone numbers, that sort of thing. And then, yeah. Yeah, I don't know. I'm kind of confused. Oh, and then travel expense record. That's nice. But only one page. Oh, no, you have it for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 different outings in the year. Big outings. Super cute. Just a bit confused. I don't know. I'll need to definitely look this up from Exacompta. Okay. And then we have this. I have friends who only live by this brand for notebooks. They only use this. They say that it has like changed their life. I've never owned one. I've always thought that, wow, they're kind of like expensive and they're kind of boring unless you get them, what are these called, like debossed, right? And I also can't pronounce this name, like Luctrum? Is that, I do not quote me. I have no idea how to properly say the words. It's so difficult. But this one is just a typical grid one. And I love grid. Grid is one of my favorites. So I don't really love lined. And dots, I'm like, still not okay. I like blank. And I love grid. And I love the ones that's actually, okay, a variation of line where it's line and then dot, 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 and then line, kind of like when you're practicing cursive. I love that. So this was in like the $5 value pack, which is insane because like, isn't this book already at least $25 to $30 around there? So kind of amazing. And then I have this. This is a Julie Bell boxed note cards gold leaf. Oh, that sounds nice. Die stamped stationery made in England. All right. Oh, that is pretty. Okay. And it's shimmery. I love that. Let's take that out. And I have a bunch of things. So let's just see how many of them I have. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8. Wonderful. That's perfect. All right. So these are blank cards again. Real nice for the holidays. And they look really holiday themed. So I quite like that as well. That'll be great for Christmas. Okay. So that is box 1. Well, bag 1. And then we have a bag 2. I'm just going to pull them out, because I feel like that's easier. There's already a lot of stuff in the... Oh, okay. So this is now the $10 value pack. This is the logbook. Big wheel press. What is the logbook? Oh, it's just blank. Perfect. All right, I love that. You can like take it traveling. This is like passport size. So this is perfect for if you have if you have traveler's dupe like I have. You can put that in there as well. That's real nice. Maybe I'll use this as like a stamp collecting one. Wherever I go, I'll like put stamps into this one because it is empty. All right, now we have this. Does it say anything? Oh, something in the back. Made in, oh, another Julie Bell. Okay, so I'm guessing this is more cards. Yes, that looks so cute. These are thank you cards. It says XOX, thank you. And they're all the same. All right. That's really nice. These are great for like you invite someone to your birthday party or something, you put that there, or just like thank you cards in general are super nice. Oh, another thank you card. Dak, who is this by? Refine Mark Print Design, printed in Canada. Okay, it's quite pretty. They're like debossed, right? Are they? I feel like they are. Yes, they are. They are debossed. That's really nice. I like that. And thank you cards. You can use them like all year round. For anything. Honestly, you could even like give it to someone for their like if you're going over to their house, you write them a nice little letter, like thanks for having us, right? What is this? Oh, okay. Oh, these are the memos, right? Yeah. So these are the memo pads. They're super cute. They line up like this. Stunning. But each one is just basically a rip out memo. You just write on it and you're good to go. And they come in this like really stunning recycled paper envelope. However, I cannot see who this is by. Like who these memo pads are by. Sorry, let's get that back in first. Yeah, does it say? Nowhere does it say. All right, but I really like that. That's really good. That's good for like big memos. That will go with the weekly planner really, really well. Just like having it, and it's kind of in the same color family too. Okay, everything's kind of like everywhere, but whatever. Then we have this one, which is a business card file logbook. I'm not quite sure what. Oh, I see. So I'm not going to open this one, but it looks like this. Like you can just slot in your business cards, and it's like it's like this cute little like cardboard thing that's like held together with a rubber band. And yeah, you just like slot it in, and then you write down like when you got it, I guess. Yeah, when you got it, and then some information about that person. This would be really good for people who like have to network a lot, have to keep track of a bunch of people. Like in my field, we don't really walk around with cards. Everyone just sort of like tries to remember who wrote what paper, and then we just remember. So maybe we should have business cards. I don't know. So yeah. This is nice. I'll probably give this to a friend who's like really businessy oriented and loves to like network. I think she would like that. And then I have two more things in this pile. I'm not sure which one to go with first. I'll go with this one first, which is the concept planner. And is concept planner by who though? Is it concept planner by by Poketo? Okay. Oh, Poketo? Paketo? Made in Korea, designed in Los Angeles. And it looks like this. Oh, okay. So you have a monthly plan. Do I have weeklies? And then it goes right into the weeklies. All right. I see. This is not the format that I like for my weeklies. I have recently converted to verticals, but this might be really good for someone like I've been on to like undated. So might be really good for her. I'll ask her if she wants it. This is really nice though. Man, it is hefty. But that's a good like desk book. And then lastly, we have this guy. This is the Faber-Castell grip. It is a fountain pen. And this one is an extra fine, which is not my favorite. But will I try this out and tell you guys how much I like it? Yes, I will. And also this is a great segue to the next video, part 2, which is all about fountain pens. So let me know in the comments below if there's any of these that you think you would use, or things that you suggest me on how to use them. And then also, these ones are obviously worth it. I feel like the Lewines value packs are super worth it. Let me know if you got one, if you went to Scriptus Toronto this year, and if you liked it. This I will include in part 2. Again, go to part 2, which will come out in like a week or 2 weeks from now, and it's all about fountain pens. All the fountain pens that I bought this year at the Fountain Pen Convention in Toronto. All right, bye guys.